All right. Now what we want to do is we want to talk about hemp oil or marijuana oil or cannabis oil. And this is something that you just spread on your hand, sniff, and you get higher than a kite. Right, Martin?
Not today. So let's just get some terminology straight. There is a lot of confusion about what hemp oil is. You can get hemp oil from the seeds in the same manner as you can get it from sunflower seed or safflower seed or the oil rapeseed. There's the canola, that's the rapeseed oil. So that's a seed oil, and that's typically used for salad oil. And you can buy hemp seed oil in grocery stores, and you can consume it by the pounds or buckets and never get high from it because it's from the seed, and there is none of the cannabinoids in it. The other part is the essential oil of hemp, and it's similar to how you would have essential oil of lemon or of lavender or other essential oils that are extracted from the body of the plant, not by pressure, but by extraction. And you need an organic solvent to extract it from the body of the plant. And that organic solvent could be either alcohol or naphtha or benzene or hexane or even carbon dioxide. And what you start with is you munch the plant up into mush, scientific term, I'm sure, and you run the solvent through it, and at the end of it, you get rid of the solvent, and what you're left with is the organic oil of hemp. And people have been mixing these two terms up. They call it hemp oil, but one of them should be called the essential oil of hemp.
So we have hemp oil from seeds, which is not what we're going to be talking about in this course. And we have hemp oil that comes from the plant. So so here's my question, Martin. Is that just from like the leaf, or is it from the stalk, or is it from the bloom?
So we have a legality problem in the United States because to this day, federally, hemp is still illegal. However, industrial hemp is legal. It is okay to have hemp rope, and it is okay to have hemp cloth. And so long as we use the male hemp plant, the male and female are different. The females are the ones that have the buds, and the males do not. Anyway, we use the male hemp plant, and we use the stalk, and that is the part that we can legally import and export and ship federally because it's industrial hemp. So long as this extract is from the stalk, it's legal, and that's what we have.
And when it's from the stalk, there is no getting high or getting like, ooh, feeling.
Oh, there could be. There's naturally occurring both THC and CBD. We'll talk about it in the next segment.
Okay.
But for now, this is going to be the essential oil of hemp extracted from the stalks of the plant so that it may be called the industrial hemp.
Okay.